In this video, we will practice on how to rotate a shape 90 degrees clockwise and 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So let's look at the first scenario. The shape that I'll be using today is going to be a triangle with points A, B, and C. The first step is to write down the coordinates A, B, C. The coordinates of A are 1, 1. I know this because 1 is from the x-axis and 1 is from the y-axis, which result in point A. This also applies in point B and C. The coordinates of B are 3, 1. The coordinates of C are 1, 3. The next step is to swap the coordinates. X becomes Y and Y becomes X despite their signs, A, B, C. The X and Y of point A is 1, 1. That means they will stay the same even if they are swapped. 1, 1. The point B, the X is 3 and the Y is 1. However, when swapped, the X is 1 and the Y is 3. In point C, the X is 1 and the Y is 3. However, when swapped, the 3 is X and the 1 is Y. However, we're not done yet. We need to make sure that we are rotating this triangle 90 degrees clockwise, which means that the shape is changing from quadrant 1 to quadrant 4. In quadrant 1, the X is positive and the Y is positive. However, in quadrant 4, the X is positive and the Y is negative. That means that we have to change all the Y's into negative. A becomes 1, minus 1, B becomes 1, minus 3, and C becomes 3, minus 1. Now let's plot the new triangle on the graph. 1, minus 1 is here, 1, minus 3 is here, and 3, minus 1 is here. Now let's join the dots. As you can see, this is the final triangle rotated 90 degrees clockwise.